Good evening, students. Today we are going to do principle of vernier caliper. So as you know, what is the main purpose of the vernier caliper? So vernier caliper is a device which measure up to second decimal place of a centimeter. I mean to say, this is that device which can measure smallest calculation of a meter. So second decimal of a centimeter this device can measure. That is correct up to 0.1 mm और जिसे हम बोलते हैं 0.01 सेंटीमीटर. In this technique, two scales are used. Two scales in the vernier caliper are main scale, which is fixed one. Main scale, which is fixed one. Second scale is vernier scale. Vernier scale, which slides along main scale. So main scale is fixed and vernier scale is sliding over the main scale. Main scale graduation with the value of 1 division on it equal to 1 mm. Main scale is graduated with the value of 1 division on it equal to 1 mm. जो मेन स्केल पे 1 डिवीजन होती है दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 mm. एंड जो वर्नियर स्केल की ग्रेजुएशंस होती है जी आर ग्रेजुएशंस ऑफ वर्नियर स्केल is that length of n divisions on vernier scale is equal to n minus 1 division of main scale. n minus 1 division of main scale. So जो वर्नियर स्केल की ग्रेजुएशंस होती है लेंथ ऑफ n डिविजन्स इज ऑन द वर्नियर स्केल इज इक्वल टू n minus 1 on main scale. And vernier scale has 10 divisions. Vernier scale has 10 divisions. So length of 10 division is equal to n minus 1 means n value is 10. So now 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 division of main scale. That we can say 9 mm millimeter. So from the whole we conclude that each division of vernier scale is equal to 0.9 mm. So this difference is least count of measurement. So we can say जिस प्रिंसिपल पे ये वर्क करता है दैट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ लीस्ट काउंट ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. So that is the smallest measurement we can take second decimal place of a centimeter. This device even correct to 0.1 mm or 0.01 सेंटीमीटर. सो ये मेन स्केल एंड वर्नियर स्केल दो स्केल होते हैं इस वर्नियर स्केल के. मेन स्केल इज ग्रेजुएटेड विद 1 डिवीजन ऑन इट इज इक्वल टू 1 mm. Graduations of vernier scale is that length n divisions on vernier scale is equal to n minus division on main scale. Vernier scale has 10 division, so length of 10 division equal to 9 division on the main scale, that is 9 mm. Each division of vernier scale is 0.9 mm and the difference is least count of measurement. This is all about the principle of vernier caliper. On this principle only vernier caliper depends. I hope you have understood each and everything about the principle of vernier caliper. If even though you are having any query, please give me your questions, give your queries in the comment section. Thank you.